A couple of things to address before we start. Yes, that says F you. It's supposed to say fun, but the N is missing. The room is a mess. There are boxes right there because I don't clean up. And yeah, so hey guys, it's me, Aliyah, and today I'm going to try something that's already been done 10 million times. It's called the singing without hearing or singing with your headphones in or whatever challenge. So basically the object of the game is to see how awful I sound when I can't hear myself. So as you guys know, I do post covers, I do sing. I know I'm not the best singer, like duh, hello. I'm not like an amazing singer, but I sing. So yeah, I'm just gonna sing some songs. I'm gonna sing some normally, and then I'm gonna sing them normally first and then do it with my headphones. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna start with Sign of the Times by my baby daddy Harry Styles. So I'm gonna sing that for you without headphones first. So we don't talk enough, we should open up before it's all too much. Will we ever learn? We've been here before, it's just what we know. Okay, so there's that. So let me put my headphones in, The bullets. We don't talk enough, we should open up before it's all too much. Will we ever learn? We've been here before, it's just what we know. Sound like trash. So now I'm gonna sing something by Demi Lovato. Okay. In case you don't find what you're looking for, in case you're missing what you had before, in case you change your mind, I'll be waiting here in case you just want to come home. That sucks either way. So this will be really fun for you guys. In case you don't find what you're looking for, in case you change your mind, I'll be waiting here in case you just want to come home for one day and miss my arms, how they wrapped around your waist. I said that you can love. Oh, you don't find what you're looking for. Oh, you're missing my love. You're missing what you had before. In case you change your mind, I'll be waiting here in case you just want to come home. In case, yeah. Oh my god. Sorry, I'm gonna sing Someone Like You by Adele next. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I bet I'll remember you said sometimes it lasts the love, but sometimes it hurts instead. So there's that. It's not that good by itself. Out of breath. Like, I'm starting to get dizzy. I hate to turn up out of the blue uninvited, but I couldn't stay away, I couldn't fight it. I'd hoped you'd seen my face and that you'd be reminded that for me it isn't over. I remember you said sometimes it would have known how bitter nothing but the best for you. I remember you said sometimes it lasts the love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Okay, Lady Gaga. Give me a reason. One reason. Oh, million reasons. Okay. I bow down to pray. I try to make the worst seem better. Lord, I've got 100 million reasons to walk away, but baby, I just need one good one to stay. Every heartbreak makes it hard to keep the faith, but baby, I just need one good one. Okay, you get the point. Risky. Baby, I'm bleeding. Maybe what I'm needing. Every heartbreak makes it hard to keep the faith, but baby, I just need one good. I bow down to pray. I try to make the worst seem better. Lord, show me the way to cut through all this worn out leather. Alright, so this next one, I can't sing normally at all. Never will be able to, but I'm gonna go with it. Go for it. Alright. Leona Lewis, Bleeding Love. I'm only gonna sing a small part of it without, because I'm not trying to make myself look terrible out here, even though I already am. But here we go. And it's straining all of me, though they find it hard, I'll be wearing these scars for everyone to see. Ooh, you cut me open and love. Oh, you cut me open and oh, I keep it in love. I keep. Just kidding. I'm probably gonna cut all that out. So, but this is just for fun. Leona Lewis, Bleeding Love. It's going to sound bad. I can sing, but I cannot sing on that level. You know, some songs just aren't for every artist. My reputation as a singer. That is what I'm doing. Setting myself up for failure. Draining all of me, though they find it hard to believe, I'll be wearing these scars for everyone to see. My heart is crippled by the pain that I keep on closing. Ooh, you cut me open and love. Oh my God. Ooh, you. That was trash, and I apologize. This is all for your freaking entertainment, so thank me. Gosh. Really depressing. Let's just try, since we're doing things that I can't do, let's just do Stone Cold, because I can't even sing that, and I'm not even gonna try normal, so this is gonna mess up my voice. I'm gonna try that really long note at the end, because you know how I do up in here, up in these streets. More stone cold, baby. God knows I try to feel happy for you. Know that I try to feel happy for you. I'll be stone cold, stone. Oh my God. I wish I could mean this, but here's my goodbye. Oh, I'm happy for you. Now that I am, even if I can't understand. Oh, I missed it. And if happy is high, I'm happy for you. Freaking depressing note. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't sing. This was my take on the singing when you can't hear yourself challenge, whatever the frick it's called. I hope you guys really enjoyed me making myself feel really bad about myself. Yeah, if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget you can click the bell button so you can be notified anytime I post if you want to know all the deets about how I post, when I post. I'll try to post every Friday. Yeah, follow my social medias. They'll be linked in the description, not linked, but I'll tell you what they are in the description box below. And thank you guys so much for watching. Buy my tickets for my tour. It's called the I Can't Freaking Sing Tour. And you just all come, not sing with me, just sing horribly together, you know? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Bye!